Deep in the ocean, bright and blue, so many friends are waiting for you. Swim through the waves, come sing along, ocean buddies in a happy song. The dolphin spins with a splash, splash, splash. The shark swims fast with a swish-swishing dash. The octopus wiggles all around. The whale sings low with the booming sound. The seahorse twirls so tiny and sweet. The jellyfish glows with dancing feet. The crab goes sideways on the sand. The starfish waves with every hand. Ocean friends, come swim and play. Happy sea animals all day. Wiggle and wobble, swish and glide through the sparkling ocean tide. The turtle paddles nice and slow. The colorful fish put on a show. The stingray zooms beneath the sea. The lobster snaps so happily. The squid sprays bubbles in the air. The clam pops open without a care. The penguin slides so smooth and fast. The eel wiggles quickly past. Ocean friends, come swim and play. Happy sea animals all day. Wiggle and wobble, swish and glide through the sparkling ocean tide. The seal rolls round with lots of cheer. The pufferfish puffs when friends come near. The manta ray flies beneath the blue. The coral sparkles in every hue. The shrimp goes bouncing to and fro. The sea lion puts on a funny show. The narwhal swims with a shiny horn. The orca splashes through the storm. Bubbles rising everywhere. Ocean magic fills the air. Big and little, fast and slow. Under the sea we all can glow. Ocean friends, hooray, hooray. Dancing in the sea today. Swim together side by side on a happy ocean ride. Now the moon shines on the sea. Good night, ocean family. Waves are sparkling soft and bright. Ocean buddies, sleep tonight.